Hey all, Ankit Riso this side from Step Fleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So this is Bank Tree chart and these are new labels marked using volume profile. So wait, I have taken the screenshot of previous labels. So if you can see yesterday only I have told you that if market opens gap down and if it opens anywhere in this range, then this will be a no trading zone for us and market might sustain in this zone for a quite longer period of time, and that same happened. That's what I have said in my channel as well. Wait, see here I have said that in my channel as well that if market will break this zone or this zone, any of these zone, then this will give a really good move. And if you can see how market has given move here after breaking this zone, but that move came at the end of the day, so I don't think majority of them have traded, or even if they did, they would have got really good target. So now coming directly to Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, but before that I would like to tell you that if you will see how my levels are continuously acting as a good support and resistance zone, and this is what actually matters the most when you are marking levels using volume profile and price action, simple price action. You just have to use simple price action to mark these labels. Okay, you just have to mark the demand and supply zone from where market is continuously taking rejections, and you just have to mark them in your chart. That's it. Okay, and okay, that's all. Now coming directly to Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Wait, so these are new labels. So this market has given closing somewhere here. So if market opens in this particular zone, then this will be a no trading zone. Okay, for you, you only have to trade on either this or this gets broken. I know this is a very small zone of around 100 points, so you have to take entry with 80 points of SL at max. और यहाँ पे अगर इसे ये ब्रेक किया तो फिर आप यहाँ पे 100 पॉइंट 100 पॉइंट्स के एसएल के साथ आप यहाँ पे इस टारगेट के लिए ट्रेड कर सकते हो, एंड दिस इज अ मूव ऑफ अराउंड 150-160 पॉइंट्स विच इज़ अ गुड मूव एज कम्पेयर टू द एसएल विच यू आर कीपिंग. ठीक है, उस और ये हुआ जब मार्केट इस जोन पे कहीं खुलता है, तो मीन्स इट इज़ मोर लाइकली अ साइडवेज एज वेल एज गैप डाउन ओपनिंग, अ स्मॉल गैप डाउन ओपनिंग. अगर कुछ बड़ा गैप डाउन होता है यहाँ पे कहीं, तो इसका मैं कभी नहीं बताता. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ इफ़ मार्केट इज शोइंग यू बिग गैप अप एंड गैप डाउन, देन यू हैव टू वेट फॉर प्रॉपर प्राइस एक्शन, अदरवाइज यू डोंट नीड टू बी इन एनी हरी. ओके, सो आपको ऐसा ट्रेड करना है. तो अगर मार्केट, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, अगर मार्केट इस जोन में या फिर यहाँ पे कहीं खुलता है तो आपको ट्रेड नहीं करना है अनटिल अनलेस ये नहीं निकलता है. अगर ये ब्रेक होता है देन यू हैव टू टेक एंट्री फॉर दिस मच ऑफ टारगेट, और अगर यहाँ पे ये निकलता है तो आप इसके लिए मत टारगेट लेना, यहाँ पे आप ट्रेलिंग एसएल के साथ काम करना. शायद ये अगर ये ब्रेक हुआ तो फिर ये काफ़ी बड़ा टारगेट होगा यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Okay, so you can look for either this booking at this point, or you can also look for trailing yourself for big targets. Okay, this is how you can trade. So I have explained for the sideways and gap down opening. Now coming to the last one, that is gap up opening. If market opens in this zone, okay, so this is a non-tested zone as of now, and there is a resistance here. Okay, so market is continuously taking resistance from this particular zone, so I am expecting the same now as well. So that's why if market opens in this particular range, then this will be a no trading zone for you. Market might sustain here for a period of time, means for 1 hour or 2 hours, then only it can give a breakout. Or even if it gives you a breakout in the very first half, then you can take entry as and when this or this gets broken. Okay, very simple. और इसलिए मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, प्लीज़ टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दीज लेबल्स सो दैट यू कैन यूज़ देम फॉर योर रेफरेंस फॉर टुमारो. ओके, और that's all as analysis. Now this is our telegram channel. If you wanna, this is my telegram channel. If you wanna join this channel, the link is already in description box. Here I used to give some trades with the analysis so that you can learn as well as earn from the trades which are given by me. Okay, and I have shared few charts today, and I also have shared 3 trades today, out of which we got 2 targets, means 2 trades worked in our favor, and one just gave us trailing SL hit at cost to cost, although it also has given around 10-12 points, but after then it hits SL at cost to cost. Okay, so if you want to join the channel, the link is already in description box. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. And one more thing, if you're liking my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.